Get ready, because the AI world is moving at warp speed, and you need to be in the know. We're diving headfirst into the most explosive updates that are reshaping the landscape of technology and beyond. From groundbreaking new models challenging the giants to incredible advancements in how we code and interact with artificial intelligence, this is the information you absolutely cannot afford to miss. The pace is relentless, the innovations are mind-blowing, and we've got the inside track on everything that matters. Stick around, because you're about to get the essential intelligence you need to stay ahead of the curve. Let's get into it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Grok 4 goes free, xAI's bold move against GPT-5. In a stunning strategic maneuver, xAI has thrown down the gauntlet in the increasingly fierce artificial intelligence arena. Effective August 10th, all users, whether currently subscribed or not, are being granted unlimited access to the powerful new Grok 4 model. This bold decision comes at a critical juncture as AI companies continue to roll out increasingly sophisticated models and generative tools, intensifying the competition. xAI is making a clear play to capture a larger market share, potentially drawing in users dissatisfied with recent offerings from major players. According to an announcement shared on X, xAI stated, "Simply use auto mode, and Grok will route complex queries to Grok 4. Prefer control? Choose expert anytime to always use Grok 4. This provides users with flexibility in how they engage with the advanced AI. The move is widely seen as a direct challenge to OpenAI's recently launched GPT-5. Many users on platforms like Reddit have voiced concerns that GPT-5 feels less natural and more guarded in its interactions. In response to this user feedback, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman indicated plans to re-release the previous model, GPT-4o, opening the door for competitors like xAI to offer alternatives with fewer perceived restrictions. Grok 4, which initially debuted on July 9th, has already demonstrated impressive capabilities in early testing, reportedly outperforming rivals such as DeepSeek and Claude. However, the model's apparent lack of stringent guardrails has also raised potential safety concerns. A previous investigation by ChatGPT Insights highlighted issues with xAI's Grok Imagine image generation tool, which was found to allow the creation of inappropriate content, including sexual deepfakes, failing to meet basic safety standards. Users can now access Grok 4 through the dedicated Grok iOS and Android applications, as well as via the X website. The chatbot's auto mode intelligently determines when to deploy Grok 4 for complex queries or Grok 3 for faster responses, while the expert setting ensures consistent use of Grok 4. xAI also plans to increase usage limits to support the broader adoption of the new model, though specific details on free tier enhancements are still forthcoming. But is this aggressive pricing strategy enough to truly unseat the established leaders? Stay tuned as we break down the strategic implications for the entire AI landscape and what it means for you. The strategic case for xAI's Grok Code Fast in the agentic AI market. This report delves into the strategic positioning of xAI's Grok Code Fast within the rapidly evolving domain of agentic artificial intelligence. Agentic AI, characterized by systems that can autonomously pursue goals and make decisions, represents a significant frontier in AI development. Grok Code Fast emerges as a key player in this space, aiming to provide developers with powerful tools to build and deploy these advanced AI agents. The core proposition of Grok Code Fast lies in its ability to accelerate the development lifecycle for AI agents. This involves optimizing the coding process, simplifying the integration of complex AI models, and enhancing the performance of autonomous systems. The platform likely offers features such as intelligent code completion, automated debugging, and efficient model deployment, specifically tailored for agentic applications. By reducing the barriers to entry and speeding up development, xAI is positioning Grok Code Fast to become an indispensable tool for the burgeoning community of AI developers and researchers working on autonomous systems. The competitive landscape for AI development tools is intense, with established players offering comprehensive suites of services. XAI's entry with Grok Code Fast suggests a strategy focused on specialization and performance. The Code Fast moniker implies a strong emphasis on developer productivity and speed. In the agentic AI market, where the complexity of building reliable and efficient agents is high, such a focus can be a significant differentiator. The platform may leverage Grok 4's underlying capabilities to provide advanced reasoning, planning, and execution functionalities for AI agents, allowing them to tackle more complex tasks with greater autonomy. Market analysts suggest that the agentic AI market is poised for substantial growth, driven by increasing demand for automation across various industries, from logistics and finance to customer service and creative content generation. Companies that can provide robust and user-friendly tools for building these agents are likely to capture significant market share. XAI's strategic approach, including the aggressive free offering of Grok 4, signals a commitment to establishing a strong ecosystem around its AI models and tools. Grok Code Fast is a critical component of this strategy, aiming to foster a vibrant developer community that builds innovative applications powered by XAI's technology. User impact. Industry observers are keenly watching how Grok Code Fast will influence developer workflows and the speed of AI agent deployment. But how does this advancement stack up against the latest in developer AI markets? Get ready for a deep dive into its disruptive potential. The emergence of Grok Code Fast and its disruptive impact on developer AI markets. This analysis explores the significant emergence of Grok Code Fast, a new offering from XAI, and its potential to disrupt the established markets for artificial intelligence development tools. As the AI landscape matures, the demand for specialized, efficient, and powerful tools that cater to developers is skyrocketing. Grok Code Fast appears to be XAI's strategic answer to this growing need, aiming to carve out a significant niche by offering advanced capabilities specifically designed to streamline and enhance the AI development process. The Code Fast aspect of the product name strongly suggests a core focus on accelerating the speed at which developers can build, test, and deploy AI models and applications. This could manifest in several ways: highly optimized coding environments, intuitive interfaces for complex AI tasks, seamless integration with existing development pipelines, and potentially AI-assisted coding features that write or suggest code. For developers working with large language models, generative AI, or other advanced AI techniques, the ability to iterate quickly and efficiently is paramount. Grok Code Fast promises to deliver precisely that, potentially reducing development cycles from weeks or months down to days or even hours. The disruptive potential of Grok Code Fast lies in its ability to challenge incumbent platforms and tools that may be perceived as slower, more cumbersome, or less specialized. By leveraging the underlying power of XAI's advanced models, such as the recently released Grok 4, this new tool could offer superior performance, more sophisticated features, or a more cost-effective solution. The impact on the developer AI market could be profound, forcing competitors to innovate more rapidly or risk losing market share. Furthermore, if Grok Code Fast integrates tightly with XAI's broader ecosystem, including its research initiatives and other AI products, it could create a compelling, end-to-end solution for AI practitioners. Companies and individual developers are constantly seeking an edge in the competitive AI development space. Tools that promise increased productivity, enhanced model performance, and faster deployment times are highly sought after. Grok Code Fast is positioned to meet these demands head-on. Its success could signal a shift in the market towards more specialized AI development platforms that offer deep integration with cutting-edge AI models. The implications extend beyond mere tool adoption. They touch upon the very pace of AI innovation itself, as more efficient development processes can accelerate the creation and deployment of new AI-powered solutions across all industries. User impact. Developers are buzzing about the potential for faster iteration cycles and easier access to advanced AI capabilities. But the tech world isn't just about AI models and developer tools. Sometimes, the market itself makes headlines. We're talking about Bitcoin next. Bitcoin surges amidst shifting market dynamics. Bitcoin, the flagship cryptocurrency, experienced a significant upward trend on August 28, 2025, closing the trading day at 02:17 p.m. EDT with notable gains. This price movement occurred against a backdrop of evolving global economic indicators and shifting investor sentiment towards digital assets. The cryptocurrency market has been particularly sensitive to macroeconomic factors, including inflation rates, central bank policies, and geopolitical stability. Recent data releases and statements from major financial institutions have been closely scrutinized by investors for clues about the future direction of monetary policy. Any indication of a more dovish stance or a perceived slowdown in economic growth can often trigger a flight to assets perceived as inflation hedges or stores of value, a category in which Bitcoin is increasingly being placed by a segment of the market. Furthermore, the ongoing development and adoption of blockchain technology continue to play a crucial role in the long-term narrative surrounding Bitcoin. News of institutional adoption, regulatory clarity, or technological upgrades to the Bitcoin network itself can all contribute to price volatility and upward momentum. Analysts are closely watching the progress of various regulatory frameworks being discussed globally, as clearer regulations could potentially unlock further institutional investment and mainstream adoption. Technical analysts point to several key resistance and support levels that Bitcoin has recently tested and, in some cases, broken through. The trading volume on August 28 was reportedly robust, suggesting strong conviction behind the recent price action. Market participants are evaluating whether this surge represents a sustainable trend or a short-term correction within a broader market cycle. The interplay between speculative trading, adoption by businesses and individuals, and the overall health of the global financial system will continue to dictate Bitcoin's trajectory. User impact. Investors and cryptocurrency enthusiasts are closely monitoring Bitcoin's performance as a bellwether for the broader digital asset market. That wraps up our rapid-fire look at the biggest stories in tech and finance. Join us next time for even more insights. And that's a wrap on today's essential updates. We saw Grok 4 go free, challenging the AI heavyweights. Then, we explored Grok Code Fast 1's strategic push into agentic AI development. We also dove into Grok Code Fast 1's disruptive potential in the broader developer AI markets, and finally, checked in on Bitcoin's latest market movements. Don't miss out on future breakthroughs. Smash that like button, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights, ring the notification bell, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Follow us on all socials for more.